Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about some other properties of S3, and we already seen some properties of versioning, some properties called versioning and say edit option, copy option, URL, and how to open a new folder like we already seen. After that we now we going to see about S3 and encryption. Say in the properties we already seen bucket versioning. Bucket versioning is after the relation we can able to see the versions of our object or file in the S3 bucket. So default encryption, we know what is encryption. Encryption is a plain text is changed into ciphertext. Using this key we can able to decrypt the ciphertext to plain text. Now we can see some, yes, this is about the en encryption. So I say the password. So I'm going to encrypt. This is the output. Now I copy this ciphertext and I give it here. So I give the password and has to decrypt means it will say it will decrypt my text. So like this encryption is working. And in the S3 bucket, it is already encryption is already enabled. So this key management service is another AWS service which is used to manage all EBS, EFS, and S3 various services of AWS. We can control encryption across AWS and beyond the AWS. See, this is KMS, key management service. We can create a key, but it costs. So we just see about this is another AWS service for the encryption that here they shown KMS using KMS dual layer server side encryption with AWS secure your object with two separate layers of encryption. For it have the it have two layers of encryption, so we can also select this and we have to give some changes in this. So it is already enabled, so we can use this and make this encryption enabled. So after that, this intelligent tiering achieve. If we give the storage class to intelligent tiering, we have to configure. If we need, we have to configure the intelligent tiering, which means we have to give a name, something demo. Limit the scope of configuration using one or more filter. This configuration applies. Yes, if we need this configuration for a particular object, we can select. If we want this configuration for all the bucket, we can also do this for all object. Enable. We enable archive access tier means days. We can give a days if 90 days after it will change to archive class. In first it is in standard. After that it is intelligent tiering. When enabled, intelligent tiering will automatically move objects that haven't been accessed in minimum 90 days. In first it is in intelligent tiering. If we after 90 days it come to achieve access tier. After 180 days it comes to deep archive access tier. So like this we can able to configure the storage classes for the intelligent tiering. So if I create means it will create it. Yes, entire bucket enabled and 90 days and 180 days for this. So, and then this server access logging we are going to see in the upcoming class. This is another, CloudTail is another service. We have to go deep about this. And here object lock. We have, if we go edit in this object lock is uh, if the public of more many peoples can access the data in the bucket, we can secure the data using this object lock, which WORM is the write once read many. If the owner is write the text, write the data in the bucket, other public can access and read the data. So we have to be careful with the data. It is very important or something. So we can enable this object lock in a governance or compliance. Governance means a particular persons can able to, which means that authorized persons can edit or delete the data. Compliance means no user can overwrite or delete protected object version during the retention period. If we give the period of 1 day means no one can, even the owner also not able to delete the object in the bucket. Save changes. Enable compliance mode means if I go to the bucket, here if I click and delete the object means it won't delete. Now it is deleted, but after enabling, so I upload, this is an old file, so it won't enable for the old files. Now I add file. I upload one file and add. After object lock is enabled, I click it will delete, but in the version it won't delete. It take a delete marker, it deleted, and if we go turn on version, it will here it make a delete marker. If I try to delete this, it won't delete. Yes, it is here. Again, it will here. So yes, failure to delete objects. So it protects the data from unauthorized people's can come and delete. Like this, edit object lock is working. So now we are going to see static website using S3. Before that, what we want to know what is static and dynamic. Static website means it already pre defined videos and images. Dynamic website means when the user access with the website, they can retrieve or receive data from the database. Uh, that is called dynamic website. Now we are going to configure static website in the S3 bucket. This is my new bucket. So now I'm going to upload a static web page file here. So I uploaded, and in the properties, static website hosting is disabled. So we want to enable this, host a static website, and index.html name, index document, and save changes. So now we get this link. If we using this link, we can access the web page, means it gives some error, 403 forbidden error, because we have to give a permission that block public. So we have to go to the bucket properties. In the permissions, we have to give, yes, here, block all public access. So we have to edit this and uncheck block all public access and give save changes and give confirm. So after that, we have to give a bucket policy. Yes, this bucket policy is for accessing the web page. I copy paste this. Here we have to give a ARN of a bucket. Yes, now we edit this policy rule and save changes. So after this, we go to properties and copy this bucket website endpoint means we can able to access the static web page. Yes, now we are getting this static web page, and we covered all this S3 encryption, key management service, and intelligent tearing, archive storage, and object lock. How to make protect the object of a bucket and static web page using S3. So we complete all this. Tomorrow we are going to see about metadata preview, sorry, metrics and management. In the management, we have a life cycle rules and replication rules. Like this, we are going to see. Thank you.